Catholic is the single largest organization that owns the largest piece of land in the world. Bori na ng'ombe itire na vata, ona megoda dele na vata, lakini they abia mwezako hiyo ujika tuache. In the book of Genesis 1 verse 26, God gave you dominion of what? The earth. And he tells you, subdue the earth. So those people, they read the Bible hapo. Wakajua, I must subdue. And how do you subdue? By displacing others so that I can control. By having dominion. Hallelujah. And that's why they have dominion. Hawezi kuwachukia? Unaweza? No, they are practicing the Bible. Unajua hakuna watu wanajua kupractice the Bible kama hawa watu wa dini na wachawi. Ukienda kwa muganga, ile vitu unaonaga zote anafanya, kuchinja kuku, kunini, kutoa hizo madhabahu, they read it from the Bible. Ati mtu fulani aliroga watu na akafanya hivi, akachukua mchaka akafanya hivi. Wao wanafanya nyinyi? Nenda kwereirwa ni thakame ya Yesu Kristo, na maundu macio mothe ni meherire, na magongona mothe ni meherire, na maundu mothe ni meherire. Hallelujah. Na mundu ucio rakwira uguo akujitwo ni thina nginya githithi gikara taketha gya crocodile. These things, they just happen to you. You are born a good man. You are born a good woman. You are born a blessed man. Genesis 1:27 says, and God blessed them. And God blessed who? Man and a woman were formed in the image of God. And God decided to bless them. And he said, I have blessed you. Therefore, nobody can remove you from the blessings of God. You are a blessed person. And he continued to tell them that I have given dominion. I've given you power to become, to dominate the whole world, to subdue the whole world. So therefore, God has given you all that you need. God has given you the authority, the power, and everything that you need. It's only you to execute, to say, this is what is happening. To say it, because he has given you power to subdue. He has given you power to dominate. He has given you power over the sea, over the birds of the sea, the fish of the sea, the birds of the air, and the animals of the land. And he has given you the trees and the plants, all are in your hands. If you discover that you are not in the perimeters of that blessing, there is something wrong that has happened to you.